Hi guys, I'm Benj Zakep Estrella and I'll be discussing the Executive Order 348. Executive Order 348 which established the Philippine Development Plan for Women or PDPW. The PDPW aimed to integrate women's issues into national development, complying with international agreements like CEDAW and FLS. Executive Order 348, signed by President Corazon Aquino in the Philippines, adopted the Philippine Development Plan for Women or PDPW from 1989 to 1992. This plan aimed to integrate women's concern into the national development, aligning with the UN Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women or CEDAW and the Forward-Looking Strategies for the Advancement of Women FLS. Masculine-feminine dichotomy. Society expects a person to fulfill a role expected on his or her birth sex. Society often assigns rigid roles based on birth sex. Example, men are strong and leaders, and the women are nurturing and caregivers. These stereotypes limit opportunities for women, pushing them to the sidelines in many areas. Because of this expectation, women face systemic barriers, for example, lower pay, fewer leadership roles, and societal pressure to prioritize family over careers. Public-domestic dichotomy. The notion that a woman's place is the home served to maintain the division between men and women, where men are expected to be productive and women reproductive. The public-domestic dichotomy, reinforced by the notion that a woman's place is the home, restricted women's participation in public life and became a foundation for discrimination against them. Double perception concept. A perception that women are solely and primarily responsible for household chores. Double and perception concept. A perception that women are solely and primarily responsible for household chores. The double burden concept highlights how women are disproportionately responsible for household chores, even with outside responsibilities, hindering their full potential and societal contribution. Subordinate or marginal role of women syndrome. The perspective that women's economic and social contribution are secondary to men. The perception that women's economic and social contribution are secondary to men has historically limited their full potential and active participation in society and the economy. Basic goals of Executive Order Number 348. Number 1. Alter the traditional concept of a woman's self-worth as subordinate to men. Number 2. Encourage the formation of families that share responsibilities from domestic work and parenting to being breadwinners and contributors to society's development. Number 3. To bring about changes in the society, particularly against tradition and behaviors that perpetuates discrimination against women. Number 4. Influence and change the economic system to ensure equal access to productive opportunities. Number 5. Empower women to take part in the political system. And number 6. Incorporate women's equality and development concerns into the legal system. That's all. Thank you.